Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Tree. This video is something special which is beneficial for both the pharma professionals as well as for the common people. Kindly watch the video till end. Diabetes mellitus, or commonly called as sugar in layman's language, is one of the most common endocrine disorder that you find across the world. As pharma students, we all are aware of the types of diabetes and the causes, symptoms and everything about the diabetes mellitus. So we are not going to stress on this. If you want a case discussion on diabetes mellitus, the link of the video will be given in the description. As we are aware, the diabetes is a disorder, not a disease. So the major important thing in diabetes mellitus is to manage the blood glucose levels. So how are we going to know what is our current blood glucose level? Every time we cannot go to the clinical settings, so we can detect our own values and our home in our comfort. How? With the help of a glucometer, a device that is used to measure the blood glucose level of an individual with the help of a blood droplet. There are various brands of glucometer available in the market, and the top best 5 glucometers link will be given in the description box below. In this video, we will see the detailed procedure of how to measure the blood glucose using the glucometer at home. Any glucometer set contains a glucometer device, lancet, and a strip. First, whenever you want to measure the blood glucose level, you should note the time of the food consumption. If you are doing the blood glucose test before, then it is said to be preprondial blood glucose. Whereas, if you are measuring your blood glucose after you have your lunch, dinner or any kind of foods, then it is said to be postprandial blood glucose level. So now take the fingertip and sterilize it with the help of a cotton dipped in any kind of antiseptic solution commonly available like spirit, Dettol or Savlon solution. Allow it to dry completely. Now prick your finger with the help of a lancet. Now gently press the fingertip so that the first droplet of blood arises. Now as soon as the blood arises, you need to put the blood droplet on the strip which is connected to your glucometer and wait for your results to come. After you record your each blood glucose levels, kindly note it down in a book or a paper that will help the physician in assessing your current status. We have given a chart of normal values on the screen. You can go through it for your comparison. We hope this video was useful and helpful for you people. So in our upcoming videos, we'll come out with medical products review and unboxing along with their usage and proper procedure of current usage of those devices. Hope this was useful for you. So kindly subscribe to our channel for more regular updates. Thank you. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. If you like video, please make like button blue and make red subscribe button white or black. Press bell icon to be notified for our upcoming videos and do share to all your friends and make them to be my friends. To be with us in contact, please join our Telegram channel. Check the link in description.